stand on that one?
Yeah.
No? Yeah, you can. Look at you.
Me every time.
There's Uncle Bruce. What's Uncle Bruce got?
It feels like you're giving birth. Yeah.
Lock the gate, please.
Do they have thunder there? Let's go see what Uncle Bruce
No.
got.
I don't need it now. It's on behind the clouds. It's almost down.
Are you swimming?
Keep an eye on him while I jump in.
All right.
Okay, here I go.
Yeah, that one time he followed Steve right in.
Daddy! You're dead, man.
Yeah, like nothing at all. It's like taking a bath. There wasn't anything chilly about that.
Hey! Hey! Did he unlock the gate or was it not latched?
It wasn't latched.
Baby! Come back and join the party!
Oh, honey, don't be like that.
Oh, come on. I got you. You ain't going anywhere. Hey, look at this Papa. Hey, Papa.
Is our friend up here? I don't think he's showing up here.
Extremely. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Dead bug.
What are you doing? You can't swim by yourself, you silly boy. It's not like you pull it home. It's way too
Brought
deep.
his floaty. You want your floaty?
Yeah, it totally does.
Oh, look at the baby having fun in the pool.
Speaking of punkies.
You're gonna swallow some water if you don't. Okay. I think you jump for it.
Huh?
Anyway,
No! Like that is insane.
what's wrong with? I will never get the hang of this Zoom.
Oh, there we go. Look at. Let's see here.
Let me go in the water. In a minute, honey.
There we go.
I'll go in a minute.
No? Okay.
Cameron!
Armbands.
Well, Cameron, you can't just swim with nothing on you.
Okay, it's the armbands then.
I'll go in the water in just a minute. I'll sit in the sun for a few minutes, okay?
I always go the wrong way with the Zoom.
Jesse, want to put your floaties on?
Doesn't seem to want to get in the water.
Don't jump the Bruce. Catch it! Yay! Wow.
Want to do it again? Want to do it again?
Press it?
Want to do it again?
Catch it. Oh, yay!
Want to do it again?
I'm going to go get sunscreen.
Okay, Mom, thanks.
Oh, almost took Daddy out.
Man, you got water on my glasses.
Do you want anything from the
I'll
house?
throw it to Lori.
Can you get my soda off the counter? I left it out on the counter because I froze it by mistake.
Lori didn't get it. Get some air in here. Man. Get some air in here.
I'm trying not to swallow the water because the water makes you sick to your stomach.
This barely keeps my fat head up above the water. Not funny.
Have to make sure and give him that yogurt when you get back to the house.
Yep. Right away.
Honey, you're so handy.
Okay, here you go.
Wow. Jesse, put some floaties on?
Like a ninja porn star.
Jesse, you want to put some floaties on?
Oh, Shelly, my first bee's over there.
Oh dear.
No fear.
God, he's gonna be up screaming tonight. I just know it.
Are you okay, baby?
He keeps swallowing water.
Come over here. What are you doing? Go ahead. Watch you. Man. Are you having fun? I throw it to you. Ready?
Is he floating?
Yeah. Over here. Go over there. He's swimming. You gotta get floaties on. Come here. Hey!
Jess?
Jesse, don't go over there.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Floaties?
Are you gonna come in the water, man?
What are you doing?
Cameron, stop
Wanna go see your
screaming.
brother? Where are we going? Oh, let's get Cam Cam. Let's get Cam Cam. Ah, we got him. Come here.
There's Grandma.
Is it about?
They're rotten eggs.
Go see Grandma.
Hey. Oh my goodness. Is your froggy soggy?
Keep Daddy.
Is your froggy soggy, Daddy?
See over here where the water's shallow. You get on the steps. You don't have to get in deep water. You want to step on the step?
Jesse, you better get some water wings on there.
Dave's gonna go all the way to the other side of the pool without coming up for air.
Yeah. Well, Grandma can't hang on to these two babies by herself.
I was gonna say maybe you should just stay here and watch the boys.
Yeah. You better put floaties on him. Oh, not nice.
You want some floaties on your arms so you can swim?
Here, give these to Daddy so you can put them on
You
you.
want to put them on your arms so you can swim?
Grandma's got you. Bring it to Daddy.
Come on, Jesse.
Put it on your tummy and float. There. Now make your arms float. Oh, stop. Oh, thank you. Grandma's going to make you get out.
You're so helpful, Jesse.
All right. I think you better go home and take her away from players out of all of you. It's like, everybody get away from me. Don't
That's what he wanted. He just wanted to go by himself.
Yep. Here. Daddy could...
He's like, freak you, I'm swimming.
He is, too. You want to swim, too? Be careful.
Go, Cammy.
Over your head, Jesse. You got to have floaties on your arms. Cammy doesn't know how to do
He's
these.
gone far, he's like...
Honey,
Look at him. It's on your arms.
Lori can watch Cammy. Why don't you just put Jesse's water wings on him?
Yay.
Put your other ones down. Let Daddy put him on your arms, and you can look at Cameron swimming all by yourself.
Keep kicking.
Let Daddy put him on and you can go swimming too.
Daddy. You want to see?
Ready?
You want to
Hey, careful.
They don't like this. They don't like
Oh my goodness.
You okay, Cammy Mike?
He wants to swim some more.
You okay, baby?
He's afraid you're going to take him out.
You can't swim by yourself. You come in and I'll hold you. Come on, jump in.
You got to kick your legs, Cameron, to stay above the water.
Keep kicking.
Oh man, I'm hot.
Kick your feet. Ooh, kick your feet. Woohoo! Look at you go.